We're diving into the PlayStation Portal, a device that has certainly sparked some debates in the gaming community. I would honestly call it a rich kid's device, considering you need to snag a PlayStation 5 first before even thinking about adding this to your collection. And let's be real, if you're taking this on the road, be prepared to become your parents' favorite conversation topic due to the personal hotspot and home electricity bills skyrocketing. You need to keep your PlayStation on in order to play, but hey, it's not all bad news. The PlayStation Portable boasts a stellar 8-inch screen rocking a crisp 1080p display. Tech gurus out there are singing praises for its non-OLED screen, placing it among the best in the market. Who doesn't love a top-notch screen, right? In today's video, we'll dissect the problems the Portal faced at launch and explore whether the tech wizards behind it have managed to wave their magic wand and fix things up. Let's get right into it. First and foremost, you may have seen unboxing videos talking about poor image quality and latency, especially in the high-stakes world of competitive PvP games like the latest Modern Warfare. Spawn Point in his unboxing pinpointed the issue, emphasizing that while it might slip under the radar in a casual watch, the difference becomes glaringly apparent when you're actually in the game. Here's the scoop: it hasn't been entirely fixed, but the key player here is your Wi-Fi quality. So here's another bit of advice: grab the Sony Remote Play app for your phone or laptop and take it for a spin. It's not just a cool feature, it sets the bar for what to expect. Plus, it might nudge you into some trial and error with console or router relocation to amp up that streaming quality and keep things consistent. Now, a quick heads up: if your PlayStation 5 is multitasking with downloads in the background, your picture quality might take a hit. And if you're the on-the-go gamer using a hotspot, brace yourself for a potential dip in image quality, depending on the strength of your hotspot. Bottom line, it's all about setting expectations and maybe doing a bit of Wi-Fi gymnastics for that optimal gaming experience. When diving into competitive games like Fortnite or Call of Duty, having AirPods is a must. Wired setups just cramp your gaming style. Unfortunately, as of now, that sleek Bluetooth experience is a no-go on the PlayStation Portal, and for the high rollers out there, this might be their tech-related nightmare. While there's hope for a Bluetooth turnaround in future updates, the launch version of the Portal exclusively embraces wireless audio through PlayStation's exclusive Link connection. Here's the catch: the Link Club only has 2 members, the elusive Pulse Explorer earbuds and the equally elusive Pulse Elite headset, both currently playing hard to get. So if you're rocking a PlayStation Portal, your audio choices are pretty straightforward for the time being. Either enjoy the onboard speakers or opt for the wired connection. It's a bit of a choose-your-audio adventure scenario until the Bluetooth gates swing open. Fingers crossed for an AirPods-friendly future update. The reported battery life for this device is 6 to 8 hours, a commendable feat for a handheld. This means you can indulge in extended gaming sessions on the couch or in bed. Additionally, if you're aiming for even more gaming time, you have the option to connect a USB-C cable to the Portal. It's crucial to note that the PlayStation Portal serves as a dedicated remote play device and doesn't extend beyond that functionality. It lacks access to PS5 apps such as Netflix or Spotify. While it can handle games from discs, it's a no-go for playing Blu-ray movies directly from the console's disk drive. Additionally, in a somewhat unique scenario, the absence of a browser limits its access to internet connections that require agreeing to terms of service or specialized login. As an example, users won't be able to utilize the PlayStation Portal on hotel Wi-Fi setups that prompt a browser for authentication. It's worth mentioning that no future updates are expected to address these limitations. And that is a wrap on today's video. Ultimately, the decision boils down to how intrigued you are by the concept of gaming on your PS5 while away from the main display. If that idea has you hooked, Sony has crafted a robust device that, despite a few quirky design choices, packs a lot of potential. Now we're curious to hear your thoughts. Are you considering picking up this device? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.